Have you got a minute? Follow me. My job today is to supervise a team of engineers delivering technical solutions for both routine and complex maintenance repairs. I joined the company as an apprentice 11 years ago and have gained valuable experience over the years. We maintain all the main single-aisle aircraft types. Me and my team realise the importance of our work and are committed to delivering a safe, compliant product to the highest standards whilst meeting our customers' needs. Our product portfolio and experienced team allows us to offer a variety of innovative solutions to meet aircraft maintenance and training needs, all of which ensures total value for our customers. I'm proud to be part of a team delivering a safe product to the aviation industry, and it's my passion. I love doing this for a living.